Hey, what's going on? It's Jeff here with a channel rebranding video and a quick update of what's going on in the new garage and a few other updates. I haven't posted on this channel in a little while. I've just been doing what I normally do, but I wanted to share with you some of the things that have happened as far as the garage, which I'm in right now, which we've rebranded to the CoppCastle, which is great. There's going to be a couple of things going on with this garage in the next few months, and I just want to share what we've done so far in it and also where it's going. So let's start with what's behind me. So that's our power rack setup right there. And we got a couple of things mounted as well. So let me just step over here so you can see we got a nice TV behind the rack that's out of the way of the, thankfully it's out of the way of the weights and things. Thanks to the extension, of course. I have a few things attached to it, of course. I've got some weight plates up high, and I've got a couple of weight plates down below. And I also have behind me, I made a storage rack. I'm actually moving some things on here. This bench that's behind me is actually going to go here instead, and you'll see why in a second. I have a barbell. I have a nice Rogue barbell, and I hang it over here because since this is the workout floor area that I'm currently standing on, that barbell basically makes more sense over on this wall. Also, what we've done is this behind me is my tool rack with a couple of paintings and chairs and things like that. That's been reconfigured recently as well. In the CoppCastle, we also have a ping pong table, of course, because that's necessary. But what's coming on the horizon, which is pretty cool, is we're going to be starting a new construction down here. And it's going to basically take up this whole spot right here from where you see all this stuff. This is all going to get moved because we are constructing our own miniature bowling lane. It's a half-scale lane, and we actually have some of the stuff for it already. I'm going to show that to you real quick. I've got a couple of the balls. These are 4.5-inch candlepin balls, and they actually work out perfectly for half-scale bowling. And then on this box right here, we've got some mini bowling pins, and I've got a set of 10, and we're going to be building a fully functioning, not automatic, but a functioning bowling lane. We're going to make it about 16 feet long. It's perfect half scale, which means it's going to have a 21-inch wide lane surface. We're going to use maple laminate flooring on it. We're going to throw down some MDF and some plywood, gutters. We're going to build it up to be about 16 inches off the ground, and it's going to be pretty cool. So I look forward to bringing you videos about that construction project over the next few months. And thanks for checking in, and thanks for staying up with me. I know that this channel hasn't had, it's had a variety of topics lately. I don't umpire anymore, so if you are here for my umpiring videos, I will have those on the channel, but do understand that those will reference other channel names that this channel has had in the past. But we're rebranding, and we're going forth with some more videos about mini bowling, about the garage, and all kinds of other things that we've done in this place so far. So thanks for sticking with me. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them, and hope you enjoy. Have a great Saturday. It's not Saturday, it's Tuesday. It feels like Saturday. Have a great Tuesday, Merry Christmas, and hope that you're all well. Take care.